In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your mouse cursor appearance preferences on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select where it says mouse pointer and touch. And then by clicking this drop down at the top, you can expand different mouse pointer style options, even customizing certain colors and the size of it. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.